Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 15 of our unboxing of the Snazzi Scrappin Advent box. This one it's a jar. There'll be some sort of paste, I reckon. What have we got? Minte chalk paint. I've not experimented with chalk paint before. That could be very, very interesting. I wonder what we use it for. Let me see. It adheres to most surfaces, no need to prime, quick drying, dries to a chalky matte finish. Okay. Oh, it's perfect to decorate our Minte chippies. So I think this is used in painting the little chipboard ephemera that you get. I think it's designed to do that, but I'm sure we can do lots of other things with that one. Alrighty, join me tomorrow for day 16. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.